Hi, my glittering gorgeous souls. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are spending a hobby day together. So basically, due to the era of social media and doom scrolling, we often forget to get back to our old hobbies. And there was once a time when we used to enjoy doing these things, but now we just don't even look at it. So that's why I made a conscious decision to get back to my hobbies today. So today is Saturday and it's like 2 p.m. I had a few work related things that I needed to sort out. So that I did morning mein, and now I have time to spend the Saturday how I want. So I'll just choose which one should I do. So I don't know, there's something about coloring. I mean, all the people around me, they're like, are you a kid? You still color, you still enjoy coloring, you still invest in like colors or coloring books. But I don't know, it just is so satisfying. I mean, it was one of my favorite hobbies growing up, and even now I enjoy it so much. I mean, like even now, if you see, I am using a children's coloring book. I'm not using, an adult coloring book. Take this as a reminder to do it again. Just buy a coloring book, buy some colors, and just start with it. Because honestly, coloring is so satisfying. You just feel at ease, and yeah, just color, yeah, sometimes. Okay, so I also really enjoy playing Roblox. So I just love Dress to Impress. A lot of people also say that, oh, playing games is so childlike, it's so childish and kiddish, and who plays when they are like a teenager or an adult? But I enjoy playing games. I love games. I am an activity and games type of a girl. So, mera parcel आ गया, and I'm not going to show you all now because this is like my birthday outfits ka parcel, and I really want to like show all of my outfits वो सीधा birthday vlog में. So yeah, yay. I get very happy whenever my parcel comes. So now I'm just going to read a little. So let me show you all what I'm reading. So I'm reading this book, 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think. It's by Brianna Weist, whatever, like I don't know how to pronounce, but yeah, we listen, we don't judge. So, fun fact, I am rereading this book. I have read it a long time back, so that is why I'm just rereading it because it was such a good book. And yeah, this deserves to be read a second time. Also, whenever I read like books like these, जो self development के ऊपर है, so I really like marking stuffs, like marking the points or marking stuffs and lines that I really like. Basically, I was not a very big reader, and even if you ask me today, I'm not like a big reader, but I am developing this habit of reading slowly and gradually. And as compared to last year, I have read more books this year till now, and I'm still reading and buying more books for myself. Okay, so this is so therapeutic. Once a while, हफ्ते में एक दिन, maybe weekends में, for like a few hours or even for like 30 minutes, for 40 minutes, for 1 hour, you should take some time out to just, do something for yourself. Like I know कि आजकल we hustle so much, we believe in hustling and working 24 into 7, but trust me, that's not healthy. That is not the goal. So yeah, what I mean to say is doing such tiny little hobbies here and there, it just makes your heart happy. I mean, you know what I'm trying to say? It just makes your heart feel more connected to your younger self and to your inner child. So, after doing some of my little hobbies, I completed some of my pending work and then also slept a little in the evening because I was going to pull an all nighter with my mom. We call it our little sleepover session and it was so fun. We watched movies, played games, ate good food, danced, did karaoke, and so much more. Honestly, days like this reminds me how important it is to just pause at times and focus entirely on your soul. And please let this video be a reminder that it's completely okay to not be productive all the time and that you should get back to those hobbies. And that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!